Today we are going to learn about how to create menu bar like this. This is a nice menu bar. You must have seen this type of menu bar in websites like Flipkart and Myntra. Now we're gonna create this menu bar for our website. So let's begin. This is a website of my friend that I'm creating. This is based on WordPress and I am designing it with Elementor. So to create this type of header, first we need to install a plugin with name element kit. Actually it's elements kit. So here it is. I have already installed and activated it. So you don't have to do anything, just go there and install it and activate it. And after you have activated it, you can see a section of elements kit here. You need to click on it and go to modules and turn on header footer section and mega menu section and then save changes. Okay, now go to header footer in elements kit. I've already created a header here, but I'll create another one for you. We need to give it a title. Let's give it header 2 and leave all the settings as it is and save changes. Now we'll go to edit content and here it is. We have created a new header and when you click on edit, it will. Okay, you have to first activate it. No? Right. Now we are on Elementor page to edit this header. But before editing that header, we need to create a menu. So I'll go to appearance, menus. I have already created some menus for my website here, but for the sake of recording this video, I will create one more. Click on create new menu. Enter a menu name. Let's name it demo menu. And you have to enable this option that says element kit mega menu and click on create menu. This will create a new menu for us. Just wait till it's loading. Okay, now we can see all the options to add things in this menu. So what we want to add is product categories. We'll add men's fashion, women's fashion. Now let's add some subcategories of men's fashion like this and this. And let's just categorize it like this. Now we have categorized all the items in the menu and this is our new menu. Remember, you need to pick it. Alright, now the mega menu is activated. Now we go to the men's fashion and when you hover over it, you'll see this. Activate it, save it, then edit mega menu content. It will open an element or designing screen. Just wait guys, my internet is a bit slow. Okay, so now we need to create our mega menu style like this one. So I'll just tell you how to do that. So for the sake of creating this video and we need to create this type of menu very fast, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on elements, get symbol here. If you can see, this will open up a pre-existing template section from where we can just import the sections and edit according to our needs. There are more than, yes, 20 options to select from. I'm just gonna search for, sorry for that, menu. It will give us a lot of options for the menu section that we want to create. I selected this one for my website, but for this video I'll select this one. Let's look at a preview. This looks like this. Just image has changed, but everything else is the same. Let's insert it. It's gonna take some time. All right, it's now inserted. This is a mega menu. So now what we want to do is come here, close this. We have to change all the contents in here. Like this is furniture, but we don't have furniture. We have men's fashion category. So we'll change this name to men's fashion. As you can see, it has changed here, and you can do all the, you can change its color, type, font type, and style, everything. We'll do that. Now, coming here, these are our subcategories, right? What you can see here. These are subcategories: shirts, hoodies, jackets. We just need to name them like shirts, and from here we have to add the link of the page where shirts are. So we'll add, I don't have any page with shirts on them, so I'll just close it, but you must add a link with shirts category page, so that when a user clicks on this, he'll go to that page. Now like this, I'm just gonna change everything. T-shirt, or anything else lower. You get the idea. Shoes. I'm just going out of top of my head here. I'm just gonna save this, and this will go for all of them. You just need to select them and change their names. Now if I go to the style section of my heading, we can change the alignment from here. I'm just gonna keep it left aligned for now, and you can change the color here. I'm gonna change the color, but you might see that this color has not changed because this is not title, and we are working in title section now, but this is a focus title. I'm sorry, this is subtitle, so we need to work on this. Now the color has changed, but this small dot, small square like thing, is the same color as it was before, so we can change it from here, and make sure to make it the same color as the title, so it looks kind of uh, together, not weird. When you add too many different colors on your website, it looks kind of um, not good, you know. So I changed the title's color. You can also change the font style and font type, and if you want to bold it, you can do everything in that. And now we are in this section where our subcategories are. We'll go to text, change the text color to black, and I'm just gonna change its weight to semi bold. So now it's changed, and when a person hovers over it, it changes to orange color, but I don't want that. I want it to change to my brand color, so it will. Now I'll update it, and now our uh, menu is created successfully. Now just close it, save it, close it, and save menu. Remember your menu's name, which is demo menu. Now we have updated our menu. We'll go to home, we'll refresh. Just bear with me, guys, my internet is a bit slow. Now you can see there is no menu here because we haven't added a menu here. We'll edit it from Elementor. We'll go to header, and don't look at this section here because it is uh, if I start to tell you about this section, it will take a long time, but we are not here to do that. We are here to add our menu section here so that it looks like just like this one. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna add a section, and we are going to select a section with, let's say, one section, one row column, sorry. We're going to add our menu. So we'll type menu, and we'll add this elements kit nav menu here, and from here you can select the menu you created. We created demo menu for us. This is the demo menu, and we can see it's here. And if you want to change its styling, its padding, margin, and everything else, you can do that from here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna save it. And okay, so whatever, I'm just gonna save it and show you guys what it looks like from user's end. So this is a menu, newly created menu. And don't worry if you can't see the body section of our website because I previewed it. So in preview, I'm just seeing header. Everything else is all good. So I'm just gonna hover over men's fashion, and it's gonna look like something like this. So let's go. You can see. Now you'll be wondering, why is it doesn't look like that? It's smaller, obviously. Uh, so how can we make it full screen? Good question. Come here, come to the menus, click on mega menu on men's fashion again, and come to the settings. Now here we can increase the mega menu width as full width. You can also select custom width and enter your width accordingly, but if you don't want to get into that all, you can just select full width. But and from here you need to select the position as default. What it will do is it will uh, select the position from this mega menu from where your uh, screen is starting, right? So like this. If you don't select it as default, these this column will start from here, and these all will get adjusted together, so that will not look good. So we need to click default and save. Now save a menu, come here on the preview page and refresh it. And now if we hover over the men's fashion option, it will be exactly like this one. So let's try that. As you can see, it's exactly like our men's fashion that we created for website. And here you go. We have successfully created a good looking menu bar for our website for desktop users. But it will not show for, but you don't want this type of menu for mobile users, because so make that. That's the story for another time. Thank you for watching, and if you liked that video, you know what to do.